Come with us to go fishing in the middle of a lake on this paddleboard.
Today for bait, me and Hunter are both using the Topwater Whopper Ploppers.
This channel is gonna be good. Y'all see this channel over here? There's like weeds on that side and that side. Check it. Got one. Got one. Oh, he's good. He's good. He's good. Oh my gosh, he's good.
Guys, Hunter just hooked up to a pretty big fish.
Probably a 3.
That's probably a 3 at least.
All right, guys. First fish for me on the day on the Whopper. 3 exactly. Literally 3. It was a decent fish. Yeah.
Hunter just hooked up on the cast after I hooked up. Bring it in.
Once I touch. All right, little 1-pounder. Number 2 on the day.
Yeah, Hunter's on.
Low-key a dink.
Look at 2.
Ow! Stop! Oh my gosh, he's low-key fat. Like, this is a 2 probably.